conservation.
We're on Kapiti Island. And we came over on the bus. No, we didn't.
On the boat?
We came over on the boat this morning. We're staying the night, but we are just gonna hike up to the summit.
Yeah, and it's a
weka.
That is a weka.
Oh, you're running away.
So this is a conservation.
Oh my god.
These are so rare, there's two of them.
This is what your mum wants to see.
Yeah. These are the only two on this side of the island.
Shut up.
There's only 4 on the island. Kapiti Island is a nature reserve with deep history of local iwi, military use, whaling and trading and more. Captain James Cook introduced pests to the island in 1800s, but now it's pest free and a thriving environment for local bird species. Lots being endangered, including that takahe that we just saw. So we're here at the hihi feeder on Kapiti Island, but these are the korimako, which is the bellbird, and they sound beautiful. No hihi here, but korimako instead. Tree hug.
This little arm holding on.
Hug a tree today. It will make you feel better.
You see Taranaki?
No, I was looking.
A little cloudy for that.
So we made it to Tirimoana, which is same as my mum's name, Tirimoana, which is the summit of Kapiti Island. And check out the South Island. You can see it's so clear.
Oh.
Big old weka.
Weka, coming to see what we've got for lunch, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, buddy, we're super hungry. Don't do it.
These cheeky weka, they'll try to eat your food. Look at him, he's got red eyes. Definitely seen weka, tui, totowai, toroa, white cap mollyhawk. Oh, maybe that's what you've seen. You reckon you can come over to my bag or willy-nilly with me right here and get something from it? I don't think so, buddy. I have no idea.
Hello, beautiful thing.
This geezer right there is Kaka. Cheeky fella. And he will steal food right out of your mouth and hands. I reckon he's picked a good spot for that. Look at this geezer. Really cool. He's opening my bag. They're so smart. And there's
Can you turn around?
There's a banana in there and some rubber straps.
There's a weka behind me now. He's getting involved in the...
Jeez. Right, mate. That's it.
Whoop.
Just crossing off Kaka to our list of birds we've seen. What you got?
This is the skin of a little gecko. Lizard.
True.
Such a good one.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's pretty much fully in intact. I mean.
Little...
Has it got its other leg? I guess not.
Nah, he's a 3-legged lizard. Jay?
Hey, just see the rest of the tiger head on this island. There's only 4. They're over there by the toilets and showers.
And this is our room. Super cute bunk beds. And this is the view. So we went on our night walk last night and see if we could find any kiwis, but we couldn't find any kiwis. But we did see a little bit of the eclipse and the moon was very bright and kiwis like the shadows and in the dark, so I think that's maybe why we didn't see any. Do you agree?
I think that it made our chances of seeing them less.
Yep. But we did hear lots of rustling and we just couldn't see them. So
We
it
heard
could have been kiwi.
a few kiwi calling as well.
Yeah, we heard some males and some females calling to each other. And we seen just lots more weka. Really.
Yeah, wicked. They're everywhere.
But it was still cool. But what we did see was a little blue penguin.
Power of words tell me stories, legends before. Ones who ran with the wolves, broke free from all ropes. Fair or stray, the one who can't be contained.
Here's the weka chick. There's the cacao. His breakfast is being cooked up. Whoa. This is where we were yesterday. And this is where we're gonna go up to today, I guess.